In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to link the consent banner to Google Tag Manager in LearnWorlds. This process is important if you want to ensure compliance with privacy laws like GDPR and give your site visitors control over cookies. Stick around because at the end of the video, I'll also share some alternatives that might serve your needs even better. First, let's dive into LearnWorlds. Start by logging into your LearnWorlds admin dashboard. From there, head over to the Settings section and in the drop-down, select Consent Banner. Here, you'll find options to manage cookies and visitor consent. But we're not done yet. Next thing, let's grab the Google Tag Manager container ID. If you haven't set up Google Tag Manager yet, go to tagmanager.google.com, create a new account, and set up your container. Once that's done, copy the container ID, as you'll need it for the next step. The third thing you need to do is go back into LearnWorlds. In the consent banner settings, you'll see a field for Google Tag Manager ID. Paste the container ID here and save your changes. This ensures your consent banner integrates with Google Tag Manager and will trigger the necessary tags when the user gives or denies consent. Now, let's move on to the fourth thing, setting up the actual tags in Google Tag Manager. Head to your Google Tag Manager account and inside your container, create a new tag. For example, if you're using Google Analytics, you would set up a tag for Google Analytics tracking. Make sure the tag is set to fire only after the user has consented to cookies. The fifth step is setting up triggers in Google Tag Manager. Create a new trigger based on the consent banner. This trigger will ensure that your tags only fire when the user gives their consent. If the user denies, no tags will fire, keeping you compliant with data privacy regulations. The sixth thing to remember is testing your setup. Inside Google Tag Manager, use the preview mode to test the integration. This will show you exactly when your tags are firing, and you can ensure that they only trigger after consent is given. Always double-check this to make sure everything works smoothly. Finally, while LearnWorlds provides a robust solution for linking the consent banner to Google Tag Manager, it's important to consider your overall goals. LearnWorlds is great, but it can be a bit limiting in customization and flexibility. So, if you want more control over your tags and consent settings, you might want to explore some alternatives. I've tested some other platforms that offer a more seamless integration with privacy tools and advanced customization options. These platforms also have extended free trials, so you can try them without any commitment. Here's the deal. I've linked to these alternatives in the description, and by using my link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial and extra benefits that aren't available to the general public. So, be sure to check them out. If you're serious about linking your consent banner to Google Tag Manager, but want a platform that gives you more flexibility and options, these alternatives might be the right fit for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the description for the best free trials and tools to take your site to the next level.